Let's call Brando.
What?
Are you taking a video?
A picture.
Oh. You're lying.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Who do you want to call right now?
I don't know. I want to call
Brando.
somebody. I want to talk.
Brando.
You're fucking recording.
Oh boy! My hands are paralyzed. I can't fix it.
We need music.
Wait, we need fucking music. We need to.
You're setting us up for fucking torture.
I know. Come
We're
here.
gonna watch this tomorrow and be like,
I know. Stop. That's the whole point of it.
Katie, you're automatically like this all the time. We hit turbulence.
Katie, get over here.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Brando.
Brando. What's a Brando? Brando.
What's a Brando?
Talk to me.
Hello.
Hello?
Oh my god.
It's Ree. You know Ree.
Oh my god. Try this
We
shit
just got
here.
back from Dayglow.
Lauren said we should come to the
It's
Philly
amazing. Come here.
Yo, 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 yo.
Real rap. Katie.
What?
Doesn't.
You're like